Hey everyone, I'm Jessica, Flight Operations Assistant here at Horn Aviation, and today we're going over the best methods for cleaning our main and tail rotor blades. We are here to answer your questions regarding the effort it takes to clean our rotor blades, but first, we want to share what makes our blades special. For durability, our blades are made with carbon fiber composite. To protect against wear, our abrasion strips are made of Inconel and nickel. For erosion resistance, we developed a special coating with ToughGuard. Before we begin, here's what you'll need: a cleaning agent, a magic eraser, clean cloth, and paper towels. Begin spraying the section of the rotor blade you want to clean, making sure it's well saturated. Feel free to use the aircraft detergent cleaner of your choice. We have no objections using Simple Green on our blades, as there is no issue with potential corrosion. Next, grab your magic eraser and gently scrub in circular motions. As you scrub, you'll notice a residue breaking down. Once you're done scrubbing, then wipe away whatever is remaining. The magic eraser cleaning method works best because it's gentle on our blades while effectively lifting trapped residue. One cleaning tip I recommend is tearing the magic eraser into smaller pieces to extend its use. The magic eraser is an effective cleaning method that works great on our main and tail rotor blades. For more information on our rotor blades, check out our website at vanhornaviation.com and reach out if you have any questions. Stay tracked, stay balanced, and keep flying with us. See you next time.